Okay, so I have this Chevy Cobalt and the light was not working, so change the switch. So this is a combination switch. So when I turn it on, you can see the light at the front working. You can see the light at the front. So take this out. If you remove this, so this is the good switch. This is the good switch. This is a bad switch. So now connect this. And you turn the light on. You can see at the front no light is turning on. And the main reason for that, this is how I tested it. This is the good switch. So use my meter is on continuity with the sound, so the pin to the right for this one and the pin 3, test them. So turn on the switch, test pin 1 and 2, you get a beep. So that means this switch is working. If I do the same thing on this switch, on the one that's not working, I won't get a beep. Don't want to break this thing. Alright. This is the old one. So turn on the switch and check the same pins on this one. Nothing happens. So how the switch works, it's supposed to take the ground from this pin. Voila. Confirm. Yeah. It's supposed to take ground from this pin and send it to pin number 3 coming from the left. So since that's not happening, this switch is no good. So let's install this one. Turn the light on. And as you can see, the light is on. So that's the repair right there. So let's put this back in place. Push this back in place. It is held in by two little tabs. One on the top, one below. So that's secure. Go ahead and re-secure this. Secure this. And then re-secure this. done. So this part. Alright, so that part is good.